Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today we are trying the new Fenty Beauty gripping primers, the mattifying one and the hydrating one at the same time. I have oily combination skin, so I'm going to do one side of just a Fenty primer and then the other side my normal primer routine. So Fenty Beauty came up with these two gripping primers, I believe a couple weeks ago, a day of me filming this, which is September 21st. Grip Trip Mattifying and Blurring Primer looks like this. It's in the pink bottle. I grabbed the samples of them because I'm like, I don't even know if I'm gonna like it. So let me get samples of them from the store before actually investing in it. A mattifying primer instantly mattifies skin for a blurred filtered finish, non-drying and reduces shine, and it has maple sap extract, which supposedly helps extends the makeup wear for up to 12 hours. It resists sweat and humidity, and there's no flashback. I don't think there should be flashback. On the how-to for the mattifying one is to start at the center of your face and you work your way out, and you don't need a lot of product. The hydrating one is called the Grip Trip Hydrating Plumping Primer, so that's the purple one. And hydrates, smooths, and plumps the skin. It also has maple sap extract, but it also has butterfly lavender extract to help hydrate and plump the skin. But it also resists sweats and humidity, and there's no flashback. Here are my samples of the Grippy Matte, which is the pink one, and then this is the hydrating one, which is the purple one. So what I'm going to do, they say a little bit goes a long way, so I'm just going to grab a little bit. It has a jelly-like consistency. It doesn't seem to get stuck. I'm actually going to use this towards the center of my face, my T-zone, on my left side of my face. It dries down pretty quickly, and it does feel nice on the skin. So expect like a gel-like texture, but it does dry down pretty quickly. I don't know. Apply some over here and here. For the perimeter of my face, I'm gonna use the hydrating primer, because I do like to use like a gripping hydrating primer around the perimeter of my face personally. It did blur, like see the difference? It did blur my face pretty quickly, so that's cool. The hydrating one feels like a little bit more cooling on the face, putting it on somehow, and I do like that. I do like that a lot, actually. This is my left side of the face with both primers on. For the right side of my face, I'm gonna use my normal Danessa Myricks Blurring Balm Primer in my T-zone, so I can really compare and contrast. Because usually I use the Danessa Myricks in my T-zone, like oilier areas, with a hydrating, like gripping primer. So this just kills two birds with one stone for me. I'm gonna do my makeup and I will be back after to see how it applies. I know someone probably wants me to do the gripping test, which is like putting something on my face and see if it grips. It doesn't feel grippy. It just don't. It doesn't feel grippy at all, to be quite honest. But the hydrating one did feel good, so there is that. It doesn't like, nothing's really sticking onto my face. To me, that's kind of like a gimmick for people. Like, it's still gonna like make your makeup grip onto your face, but it's just the whole putting something in your face and it doesn't fall. I don't personally believe in that. So I'm gonna come back when my face is done and we'll see how my makeup turns out. So it is, I need to go to work time. So I finished putting on the primer around 1:58, so 2 o'clock. So now right now it's 2:52. I have a 6-hour shift. This is makeup besides the lip. I'm gonna do that later. This is how my makeup's looking. So this is the Fenty side. I think she still looks pretty blurred compared to my Danessa side, actually. Makeup applied well. I will say right now, like considering my under eyes, that's what I'm really looking at. This side looks better than this side, but we shall see. If you hear my mom talking in the background, it's because she doesn't know I'm recording and she be loud on the phone. But yeah, I will be back in about 4 hours. I'm gonna do a 4-hour check-in to see how this side is doing, and I'll see if Fenty affected the Danessa Myricks in any type of way in a few hours. But so far it's cute. Random side note, I did set my face with the original, because they changed it. The original Fenty loose setting powder from under eyes. I set my face in the first round with the Fenty powder foundation, but I don't think it'll make like too big of a difference because I did want like a matte look today. This is what I'm looking like in store lighting. Always look terrible in store lighting, but I will see you in my next check-in. 5:38 p.m. It's only been a few hours, but I'm just doing like a little check-in because I'm in my car on my break because I was hungry. I decided to take my break early. But this is what the face is looking like. This is the Fenty side of my face. And this is like my Fenty over here, but like my Danessa, my blurring balm in the middle. What do you think? I'm trying to give it equal chance in the sun to see. This is the Fenty side. You could definitely still see my texture. And then this is the Danessa side. Danessa really does blur, but we'll see around. Like, is it as shiny? Well, I'm looking like at 5:38 p.m. I'm gonna check again around, probably when I get home. It's 10:03 p.m. I'm ready to take off my makeup. I am personally tired. This is how it's holding up, not too bad. I will say I am shinier on the Fenty side. I'm a little bit shiny on the Danessa side, but also like still cute. Still cute on the Fenty side as well. But this is a close-up. You can see my texture. I don't mind people seeing my texture. I need to drink more water. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna blot my face real quick and see if there's like any major difference. I blotted just a little bit, but honestly, I'm not mad at this primer. I'm not gonna lie. Look at, like, it's very minimal differences between my Danessa primer and the Fenty primer. Like, I had to blot a little bit on my left side, but also I'm not mad at that because I don't mind blotting, but my makeup still look 10 out of 10, honestly. Like, with my normal routine, because I use a lot, like, relatively hydrating products most of the time. Like, I literally did my normal routine. This is not bad. I actually like this. I think I give it like an 8 out of 10. It's not like perfect, but nothing's ever like completely perfect, but like it's pretty good. I do like this. Thank you for watching this video. I'm sleepy. I gotta watch these kids tomorrow. Like, I don't got kids. I'm a teacher. I gotta watch these kids tomorrow. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's really cute. And I will see you guys in my next video. I'm gonna try the new Fenty formula for their loose setting powder. I just saw Shanine's Too Much Mouth video on that, and I am intrigued. So we're gonna see, because I love the original Fenty powder. The original Fenty powder is pretty good. But yeah, this is a look, and I will see you guys in my next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you next time.